This is a follow-up video for our Maytronics Dolphin CC Plus robotic pool cleaner. I purposely let the pool get a little buildup of debris on the bottom. Hopefully this will show up well. Today's a fairly non-windy day. There's some stuff down there. It's not a tremendous amount. Way over on the other side, got kind of a pile of stuff. And in the deep end, got all this debris. This really looks like it. Oh, there it's showing up. Anyway, I'm going to turn this thing on and let it run through its 2-hour cycle to show you how well it works. We're still very thrilled with the performance of this thing. We've had it 4 months now. Just going to turn this thing on. Select. Which is what I normally do. I thought I had a problem with it also because I've been running it every 3 days and it would run 2 cycles and then it wouldn't turn on again. So I did call them and they said, oh, that thing has a 7-day run cycle and then it basically shuts down. I said, well, that's not good. What if I go on vacation or something? Anyway, that's the way it is. This model doesn't have the app for the phone, so I can't turn it on remotely. So if you're running a 3-day cycle, it'll run twice, and then you have to go manually turn it on again. This is a 1-hour update. This area over here in the shallow end is 99% clean. There's a couple little pieces of stuff in there. That area over there, it still needs to get over to that area, and there's a couple of leaves over there. The deep end is nearly, what do we want to call this, 95% clean. There's a little bit of stuff there, a leaf there, a couple of leaves over there. This thing is just chugging along, doing its thing, quietly. It's a great machine. The robot just turned off, and here's what we end up with. I see a little teeny speck of something there, but basically the floor of this pool is nearly spotless. It's interesting that it's shut off in about the same spot too. That area over there is completely cleaned out. I think I see a couple little teeny pieces of something. And we'll go to the deep end. That's on the surface. Oh gosh, there's a leaf, big leaf, and another small leaf over there. So a big fail, right? No. There's a couple little teeny pieces of something down there. No, it's not a fail because if that little robot that's on the surface didn't clean all this up, I would be cleaning it, because our in-floor cleaning system, those little sprinkler jet things down there, just has never functioned very well at all. I highly recommend this robot.